So here's how you would identify the NAICS code for your specific business. You would visit census.gov/NAICS, census.gov/NAICS. Once you open that type that in your search browser and open that, the page will look like this. And you will want to look to the left side of the page for a box that says 2022 NAICS search. And let's say you do training in your business, professional development and training. All you would need to do to start the process of finding your NAICS code is to type in training or professional development, either of those, in the box and click go or hit enter. And then it's going to show you search results that for all the different types of training. And then you just scroll until you see the nature of the training that you do. So if you do professional development training, you'll see that the NAICS code is 611430. And to verify that it is really the nature of the work that you do, all you have to do is click on the code and it will give you a description of what they mean by that specific type of work. And so in doing so, once you verify, then you would have identified your first NAICS code. And that's the process. You can have as many NAICS codes as possible because you want to have NAICS code for every single type of work that you do. It is important when you register in SAM.gov to attach all the NAICS codes for the different types of work that you do, because you cannot receive a contract for an area in which you don't have a NAICS code attached to your business, okay? So I'll give another example. Let's say you are a plumber and you want to identify the NAICS code for plumbing. You would just type plumbing in the search box, hit enter, and you will see several different types of search results. And so if you do plumbing fixture installation, that would be 238220. If you want to verify that it defines the categories in the ways that you do your work, you would click on it and then it would describe what that means to the government. And the same thing for any other type of work that you do. If you are in the retail industry and you want to find the code for that, you would type in retail and then it would show you the list of all the different types of retail store. And it's as simple as that. Whenever you find the code, you click on it to verify that it is in fact the nature of the work that you do. And that is how you identify the NAICS codes for your business. This is super important because you cannot register in SAM.gov without your NAICS codes. Okay? All right.